In this video, I'm gonna be solving decimal addition, decimal subtraction, decimal multiplication, and also division. I will be doing one at a time, and I will be showing how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply decimal. Gonna start with addition. First, I'm gonna write adding a two number, let's say 1.7, and you have to find when you add 1.7 when you add 2.45. Find 1.7 plus 2.45. So now I have to put in order. So I will have 1.7 top, and then the bottom 2.45. So 1.7 plus 2.45. All the empty place put 0, and then you have to line up, which means you will not gonna get lost your decimal point when everything is lined up. Now 0 plus 5 is 5. 7 plus 4 is 11. So the 1 goes there below the 7 4, and then the 10th number goes there. So you're moving from left to right, from right to left. So your decimal points coming down. Now you have to add 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4. Let me clear this thing. This is how you do when you are doing a decimal addition. I'm done for the addition. I'm gonna start now for subtraction. Find 36.5. Subtract 4.6. Find 36.5 minus 4.6. Put in order, put 36.5 top and 4.6 below, and start subtracting. Now we see a empty place. We have to put a place value for 0, and we have to also line up, so that way we don't get lost our decimal point. 5 minus 6. 5 is numerator, 6 is denominator. You want numerator big, so you have to borrow 1 from there, and the 6 become 5, and the 5 become 15. This is normal subtraction. Always you want numerator to big. So now 15 minus 6, we have a 9. 5 minus 4, we have a 1. 3 minus 0, we have a 3. This is how you subtract decimal point. Subtraction of decimal. Now I'm gonna start doing for multiplication. Let's say you wanna multiply two number. Let's say 4.3 times 2.7. And right there we see 7 times 3 is 21. 1 goes there, and 2 we coming back. 7 times 4 28. 28 plus the 2 we had it is 30 there. Okay, before we move to the next one, let's clean this thing. And then, okay, now let's start it. So 2 times 3 is 6, and then 2 times 4 is 8. Now we can add, but we have to put a place value below the 1, that's 0. Now let's add it. 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 6 is 6, 3 plus 8 is 11. We have one decimal place for 4.3, and we have another one decimal place for 2.7. So the total will be 2 decimal place. So we have to move 2 decimal place. It will be there. So 1 and 6, then that's 2 places, then the decimal goes there. Always multiplication, you have to add how many decimal place each term has it. So this is how you do multiplication when it comes decimal. So I'm done for the multiplication, and I will start now for the last one, division. Let's say you have to divide 36.8 for 16. So any number you multiply 16, that gives you 36 exactly number or close to number. So if I multiply 2, I get 32. 32 is the closest one, 36. So I have to subtract 36 for a 32. I got 4. 8 is coming down. Decimal point goes top. Anything you multiply 16, that gives you 48. That is a 3. 3 times 16 is 48. So 48 minus 48 is 0. Done. 2.3 is the final answer. And we finished division for decimal. Okay, and this was lesson 1.1, and the next lesson will be 1.2.